Welcome to BMF Speed Shop. Today we're working on a 2004 Chrysler Pacifica. My mother-in-law's vehicle. She happened to back into the tree. Smashed out the rear window. So went to the junkyard. I picked up a new rear window. $100. Got this all taken apart. First thing you have to do is remove the 4 bolts to hold this on. And inside here on the inside, you have to remove this panel that goes around. You have to undo these 4 clips. You have to pull this hose out. It comes all the way up in here by the 3rd brake light. And you got 2 bolts on each side. And then you got your control arm. Then you got your 2 shocks. It's pretty easy. Take it off. And then one thing you want to know is if you don't have electricity, there's no way to get this thing open. So you're going to want to reach in here and hit this little lever, but there's only a little tiny hole, so you can't get through there. So I cut this access panel in there, was able to get right in and open the rear hatch with the battery disconnected. So yeah, if you like working on pieces of crap like this, you should probably hit that subscribe button.